Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about some insane deals going on at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. And if you like these videos and you want to see more, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a comment down in the comment section below. And before we get started, just a quick friendly reminder that we have all kinds of fun stuff going on at Dollar General right now, and I've uploaded several videos here on the main channel and over on the second channel. So if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. All right, now let's go ahead and get into it because we've got a lot to cover in today's video. We are going to be going over the P&G Spend 30 Get 10 digital coupon. Now this coupon is a fantastic coupon once you know how to use it. I know a lot of people get frustrated with this coupon, so we're going to go over a few quick ground rules. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those for me down in the comment section below. Number 1, to use this coupon with your 5 off 25, you need to have your subtotal at $30 before any coupons are applied. Number 2, the P&G Spend coupon is a DG Store coupon, which means it does not get along with other DG Store coupons. So you want to focus on using only manufacturer coupons to lower your out-of-pocket. Number 3, once you do your transaction, you're going to receive a $10 coupon on your account that looks just like this one right here. This is going to be already clipped to your account, so the easiest way that I find mine is by adding a few items to my list and then checking underneath those items to see if that 10 off of a 1001 purchase is underneath. Now, what a lot of people do not realize is that this $10 coupon will apply the next time that you type in your phone number. So the very next transaction where you are trying to use coupons, you need to make sure you do not forget about that $10 coupon because it will apply whether you are at an old register or a new register. And yes, it does apply differently depending on whether you are at an old register or a new register. If you still have an old register out there, please let me know down in the comment section below. Because if you're at an old register, this coupon will only apply to one item, meaning that it will adjust down if that item is not $10 or more. Also, if you have multiple items in your transaction, you want to make sure that the very last item that you ring up is at least $10 or more, because that $10 coupon will apply to the last item in the transaction. Now, I always play it safe. I just pick up one single item and use my $10 coupon and call it a day. But if you want to get fancy with it, you can even use it in with another 5 off $25 scenario. But again, that only works at old registers, and you need to make sure the last item that you ring up is $10 or more. Now, if you're at a new register, that 10 off of a 1001 purchase will not stack with your 5 off 25 unless maybe you build up your transaction to like $35 worth of products or $40 worth of products. But the good news is if you use your $10 coupon at a new register, it will apply to multiple items. And it is a DG Store coupon, so you can stack it with other manufacturer coupons. The main thing is, do not forget about that $10 coupon being on your account, because if you run in and grab a 2 liter of pop or soda, that coupon can apply. And if it adjusts down, well, you're missing out on the full $10. So just be very careful and do not forget about that $10 coupon. Now, one last thing. Once you do your transaction, if that $10 coupon does not show up instantly on your account, don't freak out. It can take a few hours for that to process and show up. All right, now let's go ahead and get into the deals. For scenario number 1, we're going to pick up one of the 2 packs of Febreze Small Spaces, 1 Dawn Easy Squeeze, 1 of the Crest with Scope mouthwash, 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste, 1 of these 6 packs of Oral-B toothbrushes, 2 of the Crest Kids toothpaste, and 1 ZzzQuil. That's going to put your subtotal at $31.80. Here's your list of coupons. After everything's been applied, you're going to pay $11.80 for 9 items, but then you're getting back that $10 coupon, making your final price $1.80 for 9 items, or just 20 cents each. For scenario number 2, we're picking up 1 box of the Pampers diapers and 1 of the 56 count Pampers wipes. That's going to put your subtotal at $30.80. Here's your list of coupons. After everything's been applied, you're going to pay $22.40 out of pocket, but then you're getting back that $10 coupon, making your final price $12.40 for 2 or $6.20 each. For scenario number 3, we're picking up 1 box of the Love's diapers and 1 bag of the Love's diapers. That's going to put your subtotal at $31.50. Here's your list of coupons. After everything's been applied, you're going to pay $19.50 out of pocket, but then you're getting back that $10 coupon, making your final price $9.50 for both items. For scenario number 4, we're picking up 1 bag of the Love's diapers, 1 of the 168 count Pampers wipes, 1 Dawn Easy Squeeze, 2 of the Crest Kids toothpaste, 1 Crest with Scope mouthwash, and 1 of the ZQL products. That's going to put your subtotal at $32.55. Here's your list of coupons. After everything's been applied, you're going to pay $16.55 out of pocket, but then you're getting back that $10 coupon, making your final price $6.55 for 7 items or 94 cents each. For scenario number 5, we're picking up 1 of the Dreft laundry detergents, 1 bag of the Love's diapers, 1 of the 56 count Pampers wipes, 2 of the Crest with Scope mouthwash, and 1 Crest Pro Health toothpaste. That's going to put your subtotal at $30.35. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $14.95 for 6 items, but then you're getting back that $10 coupon, making your final price $4.95 for 6 items or 82 cents each. For scenario number 6, we're picking up 1 of the 6 count Bounty Essential Paper Towels, 1 of the Dawn Easy Squeeze, 1 of the Venus Razors, 1 Febreze Small Space 2 count, and 2 of the Crest Kids toothpaste. That's going to put your subtotal at $31.40. Here's your list of coupons. After everything's been applied, you're going to pay $16.90 out of pocket, but then you're getting back that $10 coupon, making your final price $6.90 for all 6 items. For scenario number 7, we're going to pick up 1 tub of the Cascade dishwasher tablets, 1 Dawn Easy Squeeze, 1 of the Crest Pro Health Gum Restore toothpaste, 2 of the Crest Kids toothpaste, 2 of the Oral-B Floss Picks, and that's going to put your subtotal at $31.90. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $15.40 out of pocket, but then you're getting back that $10 coupon, making your final price $5.40 for 7 items or 77 cents each. For scenario number 8, we're going to pick up the Bounty Essentials 6 count, the Tide Power Pods 9 count, the Dawn Easy Squeeze, the 2-pack of Febreze Small Spaces, the Crest Gum Restore toothpaste, and the Oral-B 6 count toothbrushes. And that's going to put your subtotal at $32.90. Here's your list of coupons. After everything's been applied, you're going to pay $16.85, but then you're getting back that $10 coupon, making your final price $6.85 for 6 items or $114 each. For scenario number 9, we're going to pick up 1 of the Old Spice body wash, 1 Gillette razor, 2 of the Oral-B Floss Picks, and 1 ZQL product. That's going to put your subtotal at $30.30. Here's your list of coupons. After everything's been applied, you're going to pay $14.30 out of pocket, but then you're getting back that $10 coupon, making your final price $4.30 for 5 items or 86 cents each. For scenario number 10, we're going to pick up 2 of the Crest 3D White Toothpaste, 2 of the Oral-B Floss Picks, 1 Crest Pro Health Toothpaste, and 1 ZQL product. That's going to put your subtotal at $30.05. Here's your list of coupons. After everything's been applied, you're going to pay $11.05 out of pocket, but then you're getting back that $10 coupon, making your final price $1.05 for 6 items, making those just 18 cents each. But for scenario number 11, OMG, pick up 2 of the Crest mouthwash, 2 of the Fix-It-Int, 1.4 ounces, 2 of the Oral-B Floss Picks, 2 of the Crest Kids toothpaste, 1 of the Crest Pro Health Gum Restore, and 1 regular Crest Pro Health. That's going to put your subtotal at $33.48. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $10.90 out of pocket, but then you're getting back a $10 coupon, making your final price just 90 cents for all 10 items or 9 cents each. I told you all it was going to be a crazy week at Dollar General. Now, don't forget, if you have any questions, leave them for me down in the comment section below. Any additional notes will be in the pinned comment. And as always, make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I'll have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon.